In the season of defections, the Shiv Sena's loss seems to be the NCP's gain. Shiv Sena spokesperson Rahul Narvekar today joined Sharad Pawar's party. Sources say he was upset because he had been denied a seat for the Rajya Sabha in Maharashtra. He will now contest the Lok Sabha polls from the Marvel constituency on an NCP ticket.
एखादा कार्यकर्ता जेव्हा 15 वर्ष निष्ठेने एका पक्षात काम करतो तेव्हा निश्चितपणे पक्ष सोडण्याचा निर्णय हा काय फार आनंदमय असा निर्णय नसतो. पण जेव्हा परिस्थिती अशी येते की पक्ष सोडल्याशिवाय कोणताही पर्याय नसतो, जेव्हा पक्षात घुसमट होते, जेव्हा पक्षातल्या अंतर्गत राजकारणाला आपण बळी पडतो, तेव्हा दुर्दैवाने असे निर्णय घ्यायला लागतात.
Well, not surprisingly, Shiv Sena workers protested right outside the NCP's office in Mumbai against Rahul Narvekar joining the NCP. Tejas Mehta joining us at this point for more. Tejas, Rahul Narvekar has been such a familiar face in all our TV debates when it came to representing the Shiv Sena. He was right there at the forefront. Is this going to be a big blow for the party?
Well, in a sense, yes. I mean, as far as the symbolism of this move being, taken into account, yes, it is a big blow. But electorally, it may not make any difference because Rahul Narvekar is not an elected leader of the Shiv Sena as of now. He's simply, a spokesperson. He, in fact, is married to an NCP leader's daughter itself, and he's an advocate, and he is, represented the party, especially in the English media, which many Shiv Sena leaders, really could not really put forth their views, especially in the English media. So Rahul Narvekar occupied that space. Now, the main reason behind him moving out is that he was supposed to contest, in fact, get a seat in the upper house of the Maharashtra Assembly as a Vidhan Parishad, and that he was asked to, withdraw his seat the last moment because some of the votes were to be given to another Shiv Sena leader. So he didn't have any option but to withdraw his seat, otherwise he would have lost. And because of that, he really had no option, he says, and therefore had to, withdraw from the party itself. And now he has joined the NCP, which is a party for the last, 10-15 years. He has been flaying in and out, along with the Congress, of course, talking about the various scams and really bashing the NCP and the Congress government here. And that's exactly the same party that now Rahul Narvekar joins. For the Shiv Sena, it is, as I said, a symbolic blow. But on the ground itself, already 3 sitting MPs have quit the Shiv Sena, largely on issues regarding tickets. It's a distribution of tickets. Many were not happy in that sense. But the Shiv Sena says these are not really issues regarding the popularity of the party or the leadership, which many, of course, trying to defend Uddhav Thackeray post the demise of Balasaheb Thackeray. But the larger issue for the party remains that, given the elections are so close, how does this really impact the party and, of course, the voter itself? Ankita?
Right. Tejas, stay with us. Sanjay Raut also now joining us on the phone line. Sanjay Raut, how significant a departure is this going to be? Rahul Narvekar representing the party on so many TV debates, particularly on the English news medium. Has the Shiv Sena lost its voice in a sense, or is this not being seen as such a big development at all? Sanjay Raut?
Are you talking to me?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Then I'm not Sanjay Raut. I think it is mistaken identity. I'm not Sanjay Raut. I'm Bharat Kumar Raut.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that, Mr. Bharat Raut. Thank you very much indeed for joining us on the phone line. If I can put the same question across to you.
Could you repeat the question?
Yes. My question is this going to be at all a blow for the Shiv Sena? What is your perception of Rahul Narvekar's place in the party? Of course, he's been a spokesperson for the party, representing it on TV debates. But ahead of the elections, how is the Shiv Sena seeing this?
Yeah, this reaction I'm giving as a political analyst or journalist or close watcher of Maharashtra politics and a student of political science. Thing is, this is definitely a blow for Shiv Sena because not only Rahul Narvekar was person of Yuva Sena and he participated in many debates, particularly English language debates on behalf of Sheikh Hasina, but he was also very close confidant of and lieutenant of the Thackeray family. Therefore, it is